Okay guys, so welcome again to Make Money More channel. So today I have another website, we can watch ads or videos and stuff and then get paid. We're not gonna watch videos and ads and stuff and get paid, but you can get paid to post on Facebook, view fun slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks and answer surveys and stuff. So there's a lot, guys, you can do on this website. So to sign up here, you can click on here and then sign up with your Facebook and stuff, or you can sign up more below. So you can enter your email, password, and then repeat the password. And click I'm not a robot. So using my link on the description, you're gonna get like a welcome bonus, guys. So then click on sign up now. For me, I don't have an account here, so I'm gonna click on login. And then I'm not road, and then click on login. So now I'm on the dashboard here. So when you click on any, as you can see, guys, there's a lot of content, tasks, games, and stuff. So there's a lot, but today we're gonna focus on content. So then when you click on here, so they say here total offers available is 25, money available to earn is 0.33. So view the content for 5 seconds. So you need to view this thing for 5 seconds, guys, in order for you to earn this amount. I know it's quite small, but there's a lot that you can do to maximize your earnings here, guys. So as you can see here, total task available is 61, and then you can earn about $3.79 and stuff. So you can do these things, like, because the minimum withdrawal is $10, guys. So once you've reached $10, they're gonna send you through your PayPal and stuff. So once you've reached that, and then they're gonna send it through PayPal like automatically, guys. So yeah, guys, this is it, guys. So we've got like any question, um comment in the comment section, and yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. And other than that, guys, I'll see you on the next video.